Pool evenings call for a clean, efficient flame, and the Disco Fire Pit delivers just that. Built for those who crave heat without the mess, this smokeless fire pit blends rugged function with modern design. Crafted from durable stainless steel and grounded by aluminum alloy feet. It's a tough companion for patios, backyards, or remote campsites. The jet engine-inspired profile and strategic air vents generate a mesmerizing vortex effect, making every fire not just warm, but visually captivating. The Guvis G3. Max revolutionizes your viewing experience with its massive 1,000-inch IMAX-style display, offering a level of immersion that's hard to match. Designed for those who demand the best, it features a dual 2.5K micro OLED screen, delivering crystal-clear visuals with no edge blurriness or screen door effect. With a field of view of 65 degrees and an impressive 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees sharp, vivid images from edge to edge. Not every grinder fits a fast-paced, space-conscious lifestyle, but this one does. The XY Bottle Electric Coffee Grinder redefines portability with a form factor that echoes elegance and utility. Standing 10.8 inches tall and only 2.7 inches in diameter, it's shaped like a slim wine bottle, effortlessly fitting into travel kits, kitchen drawers, or countertop corners. But its compact silhouette isn't just for looks. Equipped with a 200-watt high-torque motor, this grinder transforms whole beans into aromatic grounds in a matter of seconds. For cat owners seeking peace of mind, the Furbo 360-degree cat camera offers a premium solution for monitoring your feline companions. Featuring stunning 1080p Full HD video with a 360-degree rotating view, it captures every corner of the room, both day and night. The 4x zoom ensures you won't miss a single whisker twitch while you're away. Seamless two-way audio allows you to hear and talk to your cat in real time, with in-app volume controls delivering crisp sound. Introducing Dolly, the ultimate AI-powered desktop companion that is transforming the way we interact with technology. Designed with precision, Dolly is a cutting-edge open-source robot built on the versatile Raspberry Pi platform. With its innovative open hardware and open design, Dolly offers an engaging and customizable user experience, making it the perfect tool for anyone eager to explore the world of AI and robotics. From the moment it begins to rotate, this globe challenges perception. Nestled within a sculpted helix, it appears to levitate, suspended in motion, defying gravity. What seems physically impossible becomes mesmerizingly real as the globe spins inside its twisting cradle, creating a hypnotic illusion that draws the eye and stirs curiosity. Crafted from premium zinc alloy and polished to a smooth, weighty feel, the structure stands approximately 4 inches tall and 2.3 inches wide. Bring the pulse of the financial world right to your desk with a dynamic display that echoes the charm of vintage trading floors. The ticker meter isn't just decor, it's a real-time window into your stock portfolio, cryptocurrencies, and forex pairs. Crafted for both home and office, this physical stock ticker leverages e-paper technology, providing a crisp, paper-like display that's visible under any lighting conditions while using minimal power. Customize each ticker to stream your favorite tickers with up-to-the-minute accuracy. Life rarely slows down, and managing your health shouldn't fall behind. Skipped medication isn't just a small oversight. It leads to worsened conditions, reduced treatment success, higher medical bills, and added stress. DeFi transforms any standard pill bottle into a powerful AI-assisted system. With LED and sound reminders, smartphone alerts, and even in-app phone calls, you're covered whether you're at home or on the go. Open the bottle within a minute of the scheduled time, and DeFi logs your dose automatically. The Pool Blaster. Max Cordless Pool Vacuum redefines pool cleaning efficiency with powerful, streamlined performance. Powered by the innovative WaterTech P30 motor, this vacuum offers significantly increased suction, making debris pickup swift and thorough. Thanks to its lithium-ion battery, the Pool Blaster Max operates for up to 1 hour on a single charge, giving you the freedom to clean without constant recharging. The Jector Pro Zero Latency MMW 4K wireless transmitter pack stands at the forefront of cutting-edge wireless transmission technology. Designed with professional content creators in mind, it offers seamless connectivity with zero latency, ensuring real-time video transmission with pristine clarity. Supporting both 4K and 1080p resolutions, this device guarantees crystal-clear visuals for any filming or broadcasting setup. This portable pair excels in providing high-quality, lag-free transmission. The GlocalMe Pet Phone offers an innovative way to monitor and care for your pet, combining real-time tracking with health management. Equipped with a super tracker, it ensures you can pinpoint your pet's exact location, whether near or far, using light and sound for easy identification. This makes it ideal for outdoor adventures or simply keeping tabs around the house. Its secure geofence feature adds an extra layer of safety by setting predefined boundaries. If your pet strays outside this area, you'll receive instant alerts ensuring they remain safe at all times. The Alive Audio Oldtimer vinyl player in wood color blends timeless design with modern functionality. This model captures the essence of retro aesthetics while offering the convenience of contemporary technology. Whether you're a vinyl enthusiast or someone who enjoys diverse music formats, this player is the ideal companion. The Oldtimer boasts a range of features, ensuring a complete listening experience. The Tula mic sets a new standard in portability and professional-grade sound. This USB-C microphone offers studio-quality recording, making it an ideal tool for both mobile recording and desktop studio setups. Equipped with interchangeable cardioid and omnidirectional capsules, it delivers crisp, clear audio for various applications, whether recording vocals, instruments, or podcasts. In the dead of night, when most optics fail, this precision-engineered tool thrives. Designed for professionals who demand clarity in total darkness, this device reveals what the naked eye misses. With an extraordinary 800-yard detection range, it doesn't just illuminate shadows. It turns the dark into daylight. The full-color night vision isn't enhanced by artificial filters or AI simulation, it's the real thing. Pure, authentic color capture with 99% sRGB accuracy for stunning fidelity. The DuX Float redefines mobile computing with its sleek, ergonomic design. This portable monitor, designed to enhance productivity on the go, offers a stackable screen solution that adds a convenient second display to your laptop. Ideal for multitaskers, the DuX Float easily attaches to the back of your device, folding flat for easy transport. Its lightweight, ultra-thin build ensures you won't be weighed down during travel. Equipped with a vibrant touchscreen, the DuX Float brings intuitive control, allowing you to interact directly with your content. Experience a whole new level of flying with the DJI Avata 2, where the sky is no longer the limit. This advanced drone offers an immersive experience, letting you feel as though you're in the cockpit, with real-time visual feedback directly through your goggles. The thrill of flight is paired with the freedom of effortless control. No need for complex buttons, simply move your hand to guide the drone, providing a seamless and intuitive experience that even beginners will enjoy. The Revolve Tray Box offers a sleek, functional solution for organizing your essential everyday items. Crafted from 100% beechwood, this tray exudes quality, delivering both style and practicality. With dimensions of 7.8 by 5.1, 2 by 3.07 inches, it is spacious enough to hold your daily EDC gear, such as keys, glasses, and wallets, without overwhelming your workspace. In the world of premium spirits, ice is more than a detail, it's a defining element. For years, we made do with cloudy cubes from standard fridge trays and budget machines. The result? Icy drinks that reeked of freezer burn and melted into watery shadows of their intended taste. That wasn't acceptable. Not for those who savor every note in a single malt or bourbon. We explored faster machines, sleeker models, but they fell short. The ice came out brittle, hollow, or too quick to disappear. Weekend meals turn legendary when your outdoor setup includes this precision-engineered wood pellet grill. Designed to elevate your barbecue game, it delivers rich, wood-fired flavor and unmatched consistency across its expansive 885 square inches of cooking space. Whether you're hosting a backyard feast or slow-smoking ribs for hours, this pellet smoker handles it all with ease. The integrated Wi-Fi technology syncs with your smartphone, giving you total command over temperature timers and even smoke levels without ever leaving your chair. This is not another gadget. It's a professional-grade control interface engineered for creators, coders, and power users who demand more from their workspace. Crafted with a durable aluminum body, the Modu controller combines form and function without compromise. Every detail is made to refine your experience. High-resolution touchscreen, motorized potentiometers for tactile control, vibrant RGB LEDs for visual feedback, and seamless integration with your favorite tools. Underneath the daily grind of office work or long commutes lies a silent culprit: poor posture. That's where this intelligently engineered back cushion steps in, offering tailored support without compromise. Crafted from premium memory foam, this lumbar support pillow molds to the natural curve of your spine, helping alleviate lower back strain and enhance posture whether you're on the road or working from a desk. In the heart of modern kitchens, efficiency meets cleanliness with the revolutionary Capsule Solo 2.0, a compact powerhouse that redefines dishwashing. Designed for those with limited space but zero compromise on hygiene, this unit delivers powerful cleaning while fitting right into your lifestyle. Unlike scrubbing with a bacteria-laden sponge or soaking dishes in lukewarm water, Capsule Solo 2.0 heats water to a sterilizing 167 degrees Fahrenheit, destroying germs far beyond the limits of what human hands can endure. Restless nights steal energy from your days. Hootie changes everything. This next-gen anti-snore pillow uses bone conduction technology and real-time AI monitoring to gently guide you into quieter sleep. Designed with a fully integrated structure, Hootie doesn't just track snoring, it understands it. Inside, a dynamic airbag system adjusts the pillow's contour based on your sleeping position, subtly shifting your head to open airways without waking you. Running a seamless stream demands precision and the right gear. The Razer Stream Controller is engineered for creators who need full control at their fingertips. With a streamlined design built for efficiency, this all-in-one keypad enhances your ability to multitask across programs without losing focus. 12 customizable haptic switchblade keys give you endless macro possibilities. Adjust the tactile feedback to your preference and assign personalized icons so you never lose track of your workflow. The BenQ GV50 laser portable projector delivers a versatile and immersive viewing experience. With a 500 lumen output, it ensures sharp visuals in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Native 1080p resolution, combined with 4K support guarantees vivid and clear image quality, enhancing your movie nights or presentations. The projector comes with a tripod base, making it easy to set up and position for optimal viewing. Escape into your favorite stories without eye strain or disturbing others. The Premium Book Light Frame transforms late-night reading into a smooth, focused experience. Designed with an optical-grade magic lighting plate, this innovative frame evenly distributes warm, shadow-free illumination directly onto the page. No hotspots. Walang halos. Just pure, focused light tailored for private moments with your book. In the fast-paced world of remote work, small devices can make a big difference. Meet Boop, a minimalistic 3-button controller designed specifically to give you quick access to your mic, camera, and screen share in virtual meetings. With Boop, fumbling with on-screen icons or shortcut keys is a thing of the past. Each button is tactile, intuitive, and dedicated. One press mutes or unmutes your mic, another toggles your camera, and the last handles screen sharing. No distractions, just direct control. Mirage Sand Art offers an innovative way to experience sound in a visual form, using vibrations to shape sand into mesmerizing patterns. Through cymatics, sound waves become visible, transforming into intricate designs and offering a unique perspective on the forces that surround us. Process is simple but profound. Vibrations from sound waves interact with sand, creating dynamic patterns that appear to dance and flow in real time. Precision meets silence in this cordless powerhouse engineered for serious yard work. Featuring a carbon fiber straight shaft, this trimmer is built to withstand years of heavy-duty trimming while staying lightweight and easy to maneuver. The adjustable cutting width ranges from 15 inches to 17 inches, allowing for precision around garden edges or broad strokes along fences and driveways. Clean air isn't a luxury. It's a daily need. The Quare Plasma Go delivers just that, packing a full-feature purification system into a sleek, go-anywhere form. This isn't just a filter, it's a full-scale defense system against toxins, bacteria, and airborne contaminants. At its core lies the advanced Germagic HEPA 13 filter, engineered to trap particles as small as 0.3 microns. Where most purifiers stop at filtration, the Plasma Go goes further with toxin-killing plasma ion technology. Designed to perform in unforgiving environments, the Dell Latitude 7230 rugged tablet is engineered for professionals who demand reliability without compromise. This 12-inch tablet is powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-1240U vPro processor, delivering responsive multitasking and efficient power use. Running Windows 11 Pro, it offers enterprise-grade security and performance, while the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics support smooth visuals and clear imaging for fieldworker diagnostics. Slide it into your jacket pocket and you'll forget it's even there, until it's time to read. Weighing only 5.5 ounces, the Hax Mini e-reader delivers serious performance in a minimalist design. Its compact 5.83-inch touchscreen brings crisp clarity to your fingertips, letting you immerse yourself in books, documents, and images with no distractions. This e-reader supports a wide range of file types: PDF, EPUB, TXT, and even JPEG, so whether you're reviewing a report or catching up on a novel, it's all in one place. The ChillPad is a game-changing solution for those looking to stay dry and comfortable. Whether you're working, gaming, or just relaxing, this cooling pad brings effortless relief.